and I reached that school. So now I am going to go inside, and we're not inside yet, but we're going to reach inside. So I will show you my school when we reach inside. Me and my mom is going to inside the school, so I will show you, but not now, but I will show you when I reach inside. So I really like in my school, but not that much, but I don't want to go there. So my mom is going to go there. But actually, I'm going to go with my dad. Yay! So we're almost there, and we have to go, but I have to go. But my mom is going with me too. But there's the windows here, and just watch.